Hello, hi friends. My name is Shashi Shastri. I'm a horologist. I mean a clockmaker. I have been in this trade for the past 44 years, and I have been seeing various videos, at national and international level. And I find that some of the people, maybe professionals, maybe amateurs, they are all using some wrong tools for dismantling the clocks and timepieces, which may hamper the functioning of the timepiece after they assemble it. So I'm just going to give you a small introduction about what type of tools will be ideal for doing your work. Okay. Now you can take a look at the array that is here. The entire thing is here. You can take a look at the arrangement that I've made here so that I can give you some of the names of all these things. Okay. Starting from this one, I will call you, this is a carborundum. This is a stone which will help you to hone your balance staff, your screwdrivers, and any other thing that you need. This is a carborundum stone. Okay, you can. This is available with the hardware people, and you can buy it locally also. This is one very important tool. Second is we come to the pliers part. This is a round plier. You can take a look at the plier. This has a round, nose plier, but it is round. This you need one. And this is a cutting plier. This is a cutter with which you can cut wires and other things requisite. This is a curved plier, which will help you to bend certain things or to remove C locks and all. This will help you. This is one. Then we come to this. This is a nose plier, flattened out according to our requirement by me. Okay. Now this is another nose plier. This is also flattened out to make it convenient for me to work. Now this is a flat plier which comes as it is. Okay. No modification. This is available. Now after this is another flat plier. This is also very old, but it is still functioning. Now thereafter there is a cutter. This is a cutter, very old cutter, but this has sufficient grip for opening nuts and all. Can use this instead of using a plier like this. You can use this to open your nuts. Okay, even this can be used for opening the nuts, but unfortunately this has the tendency of slipping when you are holding the nut. So what we start is we take this as the for nut opening and for tightening. And this plier is normally used for bending some of the rods that are there in the clocks, and wire springs, etc. You can hold with this. This is a cutter, plus this is a plier. What normally these electricians use, this is one of them. And you need to have a hammer like this, a small hammer with which you can hammer at times whenever required. You need a big screwdriver like this. When you come to the screwdriver part, you should have big screwdriver, long one. This will help you to open out, with little effort you can open good screws. And this is another screwdriver which has two sides, this four-sided one and the normal flat-sided. Such a type you can buy. This will be very useful for operating on all types of screws. And this is a smaller screwdriver which is usually normally required for opening something within the framework of a clock or a timepiece. Okay, this is another one. Okay, this is a small screwdriver which you can use. This will help you to open out the back covers and other things, of a timepiece. Maybe tightening some of the finer screws in a clock. This is a pin vise that has 4 heads in it. Okay, this is known as a pin vise. You can see. Okay, this has 4 heads. This can be fitted into this. This will help you to hold, nails and balance stuff. Balance stuff of all those things. And depending upon the size, how you want to operate it, it has 4 sides. You can open it. Okay, this is one pin vise, a pin tong also they call it. Okay, these are the tweezers. Okay, this is an ordinary tweezer for picking up certain big screws, etc. This is for touching all the wire things, fine tweezer for taking up finer things, small screws and all that you can pick up. This is a rough tweezer. This is for picking up big wheels, which you want to adjust within a clock or a timepiece. Okay, now these are some of the things, basic tools actually. All this total thing may not cost you more than 1,000 rupees if you go and buy properly. Okay, now I suggest you make use of these tools and I am sure this will help you in performing your repairing work, clock repairing or timepiece repairing to the best of your ability. Maybe this is, of course, I am nobody to guide you in these things, but I find that some of the people are using wrong things. So to encourage them in this trade, I just shot up this small video for you. Okay, I am sure you will take it up in the right spirit and improve your performance. See you again. Thank you.